Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to use CoPilot to generate VBScript code in Power Automate desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. So first of all, I will go to scripting, and from here I will use run VBScript action. And then here I will click on generate script with CoPilot. And now what I will do is I will specify the prompt, which is write a code or write a script to create a file in D drive colon then slash then sample files slash profile dot xlsx. So this is the path where a file should get created with columns as first name, last name, gender, and company name. In it, fill this file with sample data. Please use only VBScript syntax. And then I will click on generate, and in few seconds you will see that a file or a script will be created, right? And here you see that 4 columns have been added, and in that we have some sample data, right? And then file is being saved as D drive sample files profile.xlsx, and then it will close the file. I will click on use this script and then click on save. Now what I will do is I will click on run to test this code, and you can see that script has been executed successfully. Now I will check the file in the file explorer. Here you can see that we have 4 columns, which is first name, last name, gender, and company name, and we have some sample data here, right? Now I will go back to Power Automate desktop. Now let's say you want to create a VBScript to check if a file exists. If that file is there, then you want to delete it, and then you want to create a fresh file, right? And for that you need a script. For that you can click on generate a script with CoPilot, and here you can give a prompt as write a script to delete a file if it already exists. Please use only VBScript syntax, and then I will click on generate, and here you can see that a file or a script has been generated. And then I will click on save. I will create a variable which is file path, and I will give the name as file path. I will give the value as the D sample files and profile.xlsx. Click on save, and then I will click on run. I'll put a breakpoint here, and here you can see that it is saying that permission was denied. Reason behind that is because the file is opened here. I will stop the execution, and then I will close the file. I will click on run, and now here you can see that file deleted successfully, right? And once that is done, you can click on run. So with this script you will be able to create a new file if there is any file with the name of profile.xlsx. Now let's say you want to create a script to filter out the data. So let's say you want to keep the data where the gender is female. In that case, you can click on generate script with CoPilot and give a prompt as write a script to filter the data from profile.xlsx where gender is female and delete the other data. And here you can specify use only VBScript syntax and click on generate. In few seconds you will see that a script is generated and you can check it correct and then click on use this script. Here you have to give the file path, so which is C or D colon slash sample files slash profile.xlsx. Here you can see that it is saying assuming gender is in the second column, but in our case gender is in third column, so I will make it 3 and then click on save and then I will run the bot. You can see execution has completed successfully. Now I will open the file and here you can see that we have only those data where gender is female, right? So this is how you can use CoPilot in Power Automate Desktop to generate the VBScript code. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.